Welcome! Let's get started creating with Canva. First, you'll need to log in with your free account or create your free account. And once you do that, you'll end up here on the landing page where you can select a template on the top or modify one of your existing designs. We're making a presentation template in this project, so I'm just going to click on that template and it will open in a new tab. You can browse through the Canva layouts for inspiration, but we're going to create our own layouts using elements, text, background, and uploads. Let's start with background. You can select a solid color or a pattern for your background, or of course you can use no background at all, or a photo. Now a lot of the photo backgrounds under this tab are available for an upgrade of $1 because we're using the free version of Canva. If you don't want to pay for your background photo, simply go to Elements and use one of the free photos from Canva. Just click and resize. You can delete that background. Or you can upload your own photo. To upload, simply click on Uploads, upload your own image, select your image, and click Open. Once you do that, it will appear in this library of your own uploaded photos. To add text, let's go to the Text menu and select one of these compilations of fonts and words. Of course, we're going to change the words to our own. Simply select them and type your own text. You can also change the font's size and color using the formatting bar at the top. Now, to test your understanding, I'd like you to create 2 presentation slides with different layouts. The following elements should be used at least once: a background image, frame, text in 2 fonts, and an uploaded photo. As always, ask me or your teacher for help, and we will be walking around to assist with any questions. Thanks, and have fun!